Last Friday, millions of Windows machines worldwide experienced a catastrophic failure due to a faulty update from cybersecurity firm CrowdStrike in an event reminiscent of the Y2K scare. A staggering 8.5 million devices were affected, leading to widespread speculation about the incident's cause. Was it a mere blunder, a concealed cyber attack, or something more sinister involving our so-called multidimensional lizard overlords? In this video, we'll unravel the mystery by delving into the technical specifics. But first, let's take a trip down memory lane to April 21st, 2010, when a McAfee antivirus update unintentionally deleted the Windows Service host file. This mishap plunged millions of Windows XP computers into an endless reboot cycle, causing blue screens of death that crippled critical services worldwide. The twist? George Kurtz, the then CTO of McAfee, is now the CEO of CrowdStrike. Despite losing $300 million in paper wealth recently, Kurtz's connection to both incidents seems more than coincidental. Fast forward to July 22nd, 2024, when CrowdStrike issued a statement clarifying the disaster. The problem originated from their Falcon sensor, a software that runs in the background to detect security threats. An update to channel file 291 caused a logic error, crashing the entire system. This failure was particularly severe because the Falcon sensor operates in Ring 0, or kernel mode, the CPU's most privileged zone typically reserved for process scheduling and direct hardware access. Although the CrowdStrike driver was WHQL certified by Microsoft, its unique ability to update config files on the fly led to this catastrophe. The driver failed to read channel file 291 correctly, triggering a system crash. A professional C++ programmer's viral hypothesis suggested a rookie coding mistake involving a null pointer. However, community notes provided a more complex explanation, involving invalid pointers due to a configuration file parsing error. Essentially, this was a ticking time bomb, only set off by the recent config file update. The full story may require a congressional hearing, but it's evident that releasing bad code on a Friday was a critical error. The failure isn't solely on the coder, but highlights an organizational issue at CrowdStrike, indicating a lack of adequate quality control and protective measures. Multiple layers of protection, such as quality assurance, continuous integration, and staggered rollouts, should have been in place to prevent such a massive failure. Let's explore the various aspects of this incident in greater detail. First, consider the technical complexity of the Falcon sensor. This piece of software is designed to run deep within the system architecture, continuously monitoring for potential security threats. Operating in Ring 0 means it has almost unrestricted access to system resources, which is both a strength and a vulnerability. Any error in this privileged zone can lead to widespread system instability, as we saw with the update to channel file 291. The process of WHQL certification is supposed to ensure that drivers meet rigorous standards set by Microsoft. However, the unique ability of the Falcon sensor to update its configuration files dynamically introduced a risk not typically accounted for in traditional certification processes. This ability is what makes the sensor powerful, but also perilous if not managed correctly. The viral hypothesis from the C++ programmer brought to light the common pitfalls in software development. A null pointer dereference is a basic error that any seasoned developer is trained to avoid. However, when operating in such a critical and complex environment, even the smallest oversight can cascade into a major failure. The community notes added depth to this analysis, suggesting that the error might stem from how the configuration file was parsed, leading to invalid pointers and, ultimately, a system crash. The broader implications of this incident are profound. It underscores the need for robust quality control mechanisms within organizations that handle critical software. This isn't just about individual coder mistakes. It's about ensuring that the entire development and deployment process is foolproof. Quality assurance teams, automated testing protocols, and rigorous peer reviews are essential to catch errors before they reach production. The fact that this update was rolled out on a Friday adds another layer of scrutiny. Deploying updates before weekends or holidays can be risky, as it limits the immediate availability of full support teams should something go wrong. Looking beyond the technical and organizational failures, we encounter a web of conspiracy theories and alternate explanations. Some suggest that the failure was due to sabotage by a foreign spy or a rogue employee with a vendetta. Others propose even more elaborate scenarios, hinting at a pre-planned test for a larger cyber attack orchestrated by the World Economic Forum. This theory posits that the failure was a trial run for a major cyber attack scheduled for August 12, 2026. While these theories might sound far-fetched, they reflect the growing paranoia and distrust in the digital age, where every significant incident is scrutinized for hidden motives and broader implications. In conclusion, the CrowdStrike incident serves as a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities inherent in our increasingly digital world. It highlights the importance of rigorous quality control, the potential for small errors to cause massive disruptions, and the broader societal impacts of major technical failures. As we continue to integrate more technology into our daily lives, ensuring the robustness and reliability of critical systems becomes ever more crucial. Whether this incident was a simple mistake or something more sinister, it has undoubtedly left an indelible mark on the cybersecurity landscape. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for my channel. Have a good day.